Any other guys interested in jewelry? Okay. A bit. Okay, so we are going to get footballs. Gentlemen are going to play Jirui. So we are going to play Jirui. Are you ready? Please, when they slap you to... Yes. Okay, or since we are at the National Museum, when the ball goes in between your legs, go and touch Eddie Kenzo's BET award. Okay, I was joking. Go touch that red Pajero there. So fatally, I will say, hey! No, guys, it's okay, Tavise. I'm saying I'm watching. I'll be here to tell you who has laid an egg.